Introducing the revolutionary new tool for the pressure washing industry, the Macaulay SprayFlex, a flexible attachment for pressure washing wands that keeps its shape under pressure. Unlimited applications for those hard-to-reach areas. The Macaulay SprayFlex allows you to use your pressure washer more efficiently, with more control, and in greater comfort. This means more profit for you. Let's take a look. Amazingly, you can change the direction of your spray on the fly without changing wands. Bend the SprayFlex in all directions, not your body. Without SprayFlex, you had to crunch and strain and still not get at your work. Notice the ease with which you can get into those tight spots. Under, over, around, behind. Cleaning eaves with the old standard wands used to be a wet nightmare. But with SprayFlex, you stay dry and clean. Cleaning pitched roofs with a standard wand could make for a dangerous situation. SprayFlex allows you to get directly on your work safely and easily. In the past, using a standard wand on flat work would take forever due to the golf club effect that cleaned only a small area at a time. Now you can use the SprayFlex to sweep a much wider area at the same angle. This shortens cleaning time while reducing fatigue. Cleaning engines has never been easier. Clean the entire engine, not just from the top. The Macaulay SprayFlex works with up to 3,000 psi. It can spray any chemical solutions a standard setup can. And although not for use with steam, it can spray water with a temperature of up to 190 degrees. So, as you can see, the SprayFlex allows you to be more versatile, more efficient, and more competitive. By the way, a 4,500 psi unit is currently under development and should be on the market by year's end. Macaulay's SprayFlex, the solution to all your pressure washing needs.